Are you looking for the best safety glasses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best safety glasses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Strive Performance Tracer Safety Glasses. Scratches are inevitable when you're working with sharp objects, but the special coating on these Strive Performance glasses keeps nicks around the sensitive eye area at bay. They're approved by ANSI, and the rubberized temples and nose piece also provide added comfort and extra grip. What's more, some folks appreciated that the colored temples make them easier to find than fully clear glasses. These glasses fit well and are comfortable on my head without feeling like they will fall while being active, explained one reviewer. Several of my safety glasses have such cheap lenses that they seem to distort my vision. These glasses are crystal clear. Up next in the 4th place is the ODIN Skullerz ODIN Anti-Fog Safety Glasses. Fogged up glasses are an annoyance at best and a prohibitive inconvenience at worst. The ODIN's anti-fog pair will save you the pain of defogging and allow you to work through muggy or cold conditions. With an ANSI stamp of approval, these not only banish steam, but you also have the choice to customize the lenses and opt for tinted rather than clear for added shade and glare resistance. One surgical technician who works in an operating room was thoroughly impressed, noting, "The eye protection that my employer provides fog up super bad and you have to time your breaths in a way that you can see what you're doing at critical moment. These work fantastic. They are crystal clear and do not fog up." The 3rd product on our list is the Dewalt DPG82 Concealer Anti-Fog Dual Mold Safety Goggle. While this set from Dewalt fits under the goggles category, they're undeniably comfortable and work just as well as protective glasses. A style like this is ideal for those who work with chemicals, paint, or small dust particles and need insulated protection. But the full coverage also protects from debris and other sizable objects that may come towards your face while you work. The strip on the inside molds to your face and tightly seals around the eyes. And quite a few customers found that eyeglasses could be worn underneath these goggles without an issue. "I wear these when I do woodworking," reported one satisfied reviewer. "I also used them when I was chipping off bad paint from my bathroom walls. They protected my eyes from flying debris." 2nd on our list is the MEIGIX Anti-Fog Safety Glasses. Nurses and other medical professionals will love these goggles for a few reasons. Firstly, they're scratch-proof, anti-fog, and splash-proof, so you can protect your eyes from unwanted liquids and sprays. Secondly, they're 2.6 inches tall and 7.87 inches wide, so they're capable of fitting over nearly any pair of prescription eyeglasses if needed. In addition, the cushioned nose piece, brow strip, and temple tips also prevent fatigue from wearing this pair during long workdays. One reviewer, who works 7-8-hour shifts at a hospital, lauded these glasses for their comfort and wearability. "These goggles are the perfect solution. They are comfortable to the point I forget I am wearing them. I have full visibility because they have yet to fog, and there is no rim or edge in my peripheral view." Finally, the top product on our list is the Pyramex Endeavor Plus Durable Safety Glasses. The lenses on these Pyramex glasses are flanked with a top brow bar and wraparound shields for the ultimate protection. Despite being less expensive than some of the other options, they still provide security and are ANSI compliant. Many reviewers were impressed by how comfortable these fit and how rarely they fog up. One reviewer who had an unfortunate eye accident now swears by this particular pair. "I put them on and started using the grinder and these worked perfect," they wrote. "Did not fog up once on me while I used them. Loved them so much I bought an extra pair to use at work." Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.